Daniel, thank you for joining us today.
A pleasure.
Daniel, tell us a little bit more about your company and the resource you have.
Yeah, the company is GoviEx Uranium. It's an Africa-only uranium developer. It's got about 220 million pounds of uranium spread over 3 advanced projects, 2 of them which are already permitted, ready for development.
And presumably the next stage is that development. What sort of time frame have you got for that?
That's very much driven by the uranium price at the moment, but we see the uranium price this year really starting to move forward. Market's gone into deficit. We have a number of major production cuts still to come through. We have Cameco holding out their McArthur River project and predominantly going to be starting to buy out of the market towards the latter part of the year as they can buy cheaper metal. That will start to move the price up. And then for us, it's really 1 year of final feasibility study, 2 years of construction, so it's 3 years to producing metal.
And with regards to investors, shareholders, what sort of news flow are they likely to expect for the next 6 to 12 months?
The focus is really obviously going to be on what we've been doing before, which is continuing to optimize our project, to continue to work on the debt package that we've already announced we're working on. And then obviously, depending on how aggressive the uranium price is, we can become a lot more aggressive on all our projects. I mean, one benefit we have is all of our projects have a lot of exploration upside. So even though we've got a very large resource, it can be considerably expanded.
And we're at the one-to-one conference today. What's the key message and the feedback that you're getting from investors?
I think the one key feedback I'm finding is that my diary is completely full, which is telling you there's interest in uranium. That has got to be the key thing that's coming back. And I think people are realizing the real turnaround that's there. From our point of view, we're pointing out that GoviEx is one of those few companies that can benefit from the uranium price move because it's permitted. We're undervalued, but this really is exactly what we've seen in previous cycles where those African companies are undervalued going into the cycle, but get a massive re-rate as the cycle recovers, as people realize that they're the ones that actually can go into production.
Superb. Well, exciting times ahead for you. Thanks for your time.
Thank you very much.